नमस्कार दोस्तों, welcome to Mastro Family. Recently, RBI has conducted largest VRR auction, that is variable rate repo. So दोस्तों, आज की इस एपिसोड में हम लोग समझेंगे जो what is the meaning of the VRR and what is the implications and why RBI has utilized such type of monetary tools to compensate the monetary deficit in the market. तो दोस्तों, सबसे पहले हम लोग ये समझते हैं व्हाट इज वीआरआर। दैट इज द वेरिएबल रेट रेपो। बेसिकली इट इज द शॉर्ट टर्म मॉनिटरी टूल थ्रू विच आरबीआई lend money to the different banks on a variable interest rate. It means it is little bit different from the repo rate. In the repo rate, usually RBI provides the loan to the different commercial banks at a fixed interest rate. But in case of VRR, rate of interest is variable that depends upon the bidding process, that due to which its process is also called as a auction. So दोस्तों, रिसेंटली आरबीआई ने अराउंड 2.25 लाख करोड़ का ऑक्शन मार्केट में किया था, थ्रू विच इट हैज इंजेक्टेड अराउंड 2.25 लाख करोड़ रुपीस टू द बैंकिंग सेक्टर इन इंडिया। सो दोस्तों, ऐसे ऑक्शंस की क्यों जरूरत पड़ी? तो इसके लिए हमें सबसे RBI take different types of options like VRR to compensate the liquidity deficit in the banking sector. So दोस्तों, what are the reasons for the liquidity deficit in the banking sector? Maybe there will be the more demand by the customer, or government spending is more, or due to the some other economic factor there is insufficient money in the banking sector. और ऐसे conditions में RBI has utilized options like a VRR to compensate the deficit in the banking sector. तो दोस्तों, हम लोग सबसे पहले ये समझते हैं जो at what situations RBI has triggered the VRR auctions. तो ऐसे में दोस्तों यूजुअली क्या होता है, RBI has एक फिक्स stable tool is repo rate, on which on that basis RBI provides loan to the commercial bank. But sometimes what happens, there is insufficient in the money in the banking sector. So at that time, banks can also utilize call money market. In call money market, different banks gives money to each other to compensate for the short term money requirement. यदि उससे भी, यदि कॉल मनी मार्केट को यूटिलाइज करके भी यदि बैंकिंग सेक्टर में मॉनेटरी इनसफिशियंसी जो है उसको फुलफिल नहीं किया जा सका, तो एट दैट टाइम RBI will go for VRR, that is variable rate repo options, through which they will compensate the different types of the monetary insufficiency in the banking sector. तो दोस्तों, हम लोगों ने ये समझा जो in which conditions VRR auctions are usually utilized by RBI to compensate the monetary deficit in the banking sector. Now we'll discuss about the call money rate. Call money rates is very similar to the repo rate, but there are some small differences. Call money rate, different banks provide the loan to each other to compensate for the requirement of either SLR, CRR, और जब छोटे छोटे requirements, जब वो SLR के requirement को fulfill नहीं कर पा रहा है बैंक, या CRR के requirement को fulfill नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो at that conditions different banks will utilize the money of other bank to compensate for that man. और वो जो rate होता है, that is the rate on which each bank provides the loan to the other bank is called call money rate, and that call money rate is not fixed, but that is defined by the demand and supply in the call money market. और ये जो है competitive bidding के थोड़ा के through ये rate decide होता है. But think about the situation, but that even using the call money rate, banks are not able to get the sufficient money. In that situation, what will happen, even the call money rate of interest will be more than रेपो रेट, और रेपो रेट से भी ज्यादा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे जब बैंक्स लोन लेता है डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर, सो इन दैट सिचुएशंस यूजुअली आरबीआई विल कम टू हेल्प द डिफरेंट बैंक्स थ्रू द वीआरआर ऑक्शन. तो इसमें क्या होता है, जो VRR options is usually utilized by RBI to inject liquidity in the banking sector in the case when the call money rate is larger than the repo rate. और ऐसे में क्या हो रहा है, usually banks has to go for competitive bidding, and maybe the banks have a very difficult situations because they have to take the money at a higher rate of interest. So ऐसे में RBI will come in the pictures and protect the different monetary requirement of the different banks. और ऐसे में आरबीआई वीआरआर ऑक्शंस को प्रोड्यूस करता है, थ्रू विच different banks get the sufficient money to provide the loan to the customer or for the other purposes. तो दोस्तों अब अगला क्वेश्चन ये जनरेट हो सकता है, जो व्हाई आरबीआई इज नॉट यूजिंग डायरेक्टली द रेपो रेट बट गोइंग फॉर द वीआरआर ऑक्शंस. एक्चुअली दोस्तों वीआरआर ऑक्शंस में रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज नॉट फिक्स्ड बट दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द डिमांड ऑफ द मार्केट. So due to which that is very good mechanism, because in case of repo rate, RBI or banks are not aware of how much there will be the demand of the money and how much there will be the supply of money. But in case of VRR, RBI is utilizing the demand and supply mechanism to compensate for the monetary insufficiency in the banking sector. तो ये एक तरह से डायनेमिक रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है, और also the banks will use it very cautiously, because the rate of interest will be decided by the different bidding process. तो इस तरह से ये VRR auctions is used is a dynamic mechanism, and it helps in the compensating the monetary deficit in the banking sector. So today episode we have discussed what is the VRR, variable rate repo, why it is required, what are the different functions of the VRR, how it is different from the repo rate, why the RBI is utilizing the different tools like a repo rate, call money rate, and the VRR to provide the different types of the monetary requirement of the banking sector. Thank you for listening to this episode. We will meet soon.